Recently, a major industrial equipment manufacturer approached Spaulding Ridge with a challenge. They needed to empower their field reps with real-time insights into product performance and predict failures before they occurred. In response, we developed this cutting-edge Streamlit application. Let's walk through how it addresses our clients' needs. The product performance dashboard is the first stop for field reps. It provides a bird's eye view of the entire fleet, in this case, 5,460 installed products. Key metrics like average temperature and high oscillation products are prominently displayed, allowing reps to quickly gauge overall fleet health. Financial metrics add crucial context. The total value of filtered products, around $516 in this instance, helps quantify the potential impact of failures. Interestingly, we're currently showing $0 for high oscillation products past end of life, indicating a healthy fleet at the moment. Diving deeper, the oscillation and speed analysis screen offers more granular insights. Here, reps can spot concerning trends in individual bearings and determine if products are being used. All of the displayed points can also be hovered over for more specific measurements. We've designed the dashboard with flexibility in mind. Users can easily customize views by selecting specific products, customers, date ranges, ensuring they focus on the relevant data that meets their needs. Now, let's dive deeper into the data. The Detailed Analysis tab at the top allows field reps to spot concerning trends in individual bearings. It provides granular insights needed to build trust with customers through data-driven discussions. The real power of our solution lies in its predictive capabilities. This is our model training workbench, a second Streamlit app, where we create our custom recurrent neural network, or RNN, used to predict future performance. This process starts with evaluating the available data. Then we train the model. And as you can see, its accuracy improves over successive epochs. Once we're satisfied with the model's performance, we can save the trained data for use. Let's apply what we just learned. Back on the performance dashboard, we can see our newly trained model in our Select RNN dropdown on the left. Once we click Apply Model, notice how it updates the Predicted At-Risk Products section, providing crucial foresight into potential issues. You can also elect to have this trained model apply to all products or just those the model was trained against. Field reps can now see the number of products at risk within the next 90 days, their total value, and the average value at-risk product. This predictive insight allows for efficient prioritization of interventions and resource allocation. This solution has transformed how our clients' field reps operate, shifting from reactive to proactive maintenance. By combining real-time sensor data, advanced predictive modeling, and intuitive visualizations, we've created a powerful tool that not only meets current needs, but can evolve with the business. That's the Spaulding Ridge difference, solutions that solve today's challenges while paving the way for future innovation.